to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is unboxing the February Look Fantastic. So I'm going to tell you a little bit more about Look Fantastic. If you are new to this channel and new about Look Fantastic, then I will show you what's inside this month's box. So please keep watching. This is this month's Look Fantastic beauty box. It is in a beautiful baby pink colour, which I'm absolutely in love with because I love the colour baby pink. Firstly, before we actually get into opening this beautiful box, Look Fantastic is a subscription service just like a Glossybox. Also, Look Fantastic is a website which you can purchase makeup, skincare, hair care, brushes, makeup brushes, obviously hair brushes, hair bands, absolutely everything. I will leave Look Fantastic's website in the description box below for you guys. Also the link for these beautiful subscription boxes as well, because they are absolutely amazing. You get sometimes you get more than 5 products every month worth over £50, and they are absolutely beautiful. Again, you can click on the plan that suits you. You can cancel the subscription service at any time as well in case it is not for you. So everything you need to know about Look Fantastic will be in the description box below for you guys as well, so go ahead and check that out. Let's dive into this. So it is in a baby pink colour. It's absolutely stunning. The box comes every month to your door. It comes in a different design of box as well, and they are absolutely stunning. It is just like the Glossybox, so you don't know what's inside it until you get it. The difference between Look Fantastic and Glossyboxes are that in the Glossybox it's just a leaflet. In Look Fantastic you get a little booklet, so it tells you all the products, how to use them properly, what they are, what their original prices are, and so on and so on. And Look Fantastic boxes do not have ribbons on, Glossyboxes do. Product inside this month's box are these. So these are the Glove water only makeup remover pads. So you got 2 heart removal pads. You use them and obviously taking off your makeup, but you can use them by washing them first, then using these. So you can wash these before use and then rub over your face to get over makeup, and you can actually clean them by either washing machine or cleaning them by like antibacterial stuff and then just soaking them yourself. But they look absolutely beautiful. They come in this beautiful little pouch cover. I'll just take one out and show you. They're so nice and fluffy, beautiful heart shaped, and you have 2 of them, which I think they are quite cute. I don't normally use these for like moving off my makeup, but I will certainly try and give this a go. The product is from Beauty Pro. This is a Foot Therapy collagen infused beauties. I've had like little infused little socks before, so these are like little booties for your feet, and you pop them on your feet for 20 minutes. Next product is this. So this is the Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. I have just had a quick look. It's like a little moisturizer, and it's beautiful packaging actually. Absolutely stunning. I love the colours and I cannot wait to give that a go. So it's a lovely lemon moisturiser, superfood. Oh, smells nice. Another product inside this month's box is a Lottie London blush in the shade Haze. This is probably the 3rd one now I've got. I absolutely love Lottie London's products and they're absolutely beautiful. I don't know what else to say about these because I have had these in the past and I love them. Next product is the Clarity Cleanse Daily Gel Cleanser. It's a little mini. I love little minis because when you're away on holiday or you're travelling or you've got to go away for the weekend and you don't fancy taking normal full size bottles, little minis are very, very helpful. Just a couple of more products to show you guys. The second to last is this Balance Me one. So this is the Vitamin C Strengthen Eye Serum. I love Vitamin C's products. I have loads of these Balance Me's, as you guys would have seen in my declutter, but yeah, Vitamin C Eye Serum. And last but no means least, a miniature Pixi by Petra tonic, which I absolutely love. these. I have a full size one as well. Like I said, the minis are ecstatically beautiful because they are so small. You can pop them in your makeup bag or cosmetics bags or wherever bag you're going to put them in. Like I said, if you're traveling, going on holidays, you don't fancy taking full size products, so little minis are absolutely incredible and I love them to bits. So I have a Pixi by Petra Glow Tonic. So guys, that is everything in this month's box. I love all these products. I love getting these boxes every month because there's products in there you've never even heard of, never even tried, and I absolutely love them. You do get full size products, you do get little minis as well, which I absolutely love because, like I said, if you're traveling, little miniatures come in very, very handy. So without further ado, I love you guys so much. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell next to it so you're notified every time I upload. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.